Howdy Internet, Noah here. Are you ready for it? It's the world's greatest sewer hose. That's right, the Rhino Extreme, and it has been improved. What have we done? Biggest difference? Wire is on the outside. That gives it an exoskeleton. It still has the same 24 mil equivalent sewer hose, but that wire being on the outside gives it superior abrasion resistance and superior compression. So, the wire on the outside, it gets in contact with gravel or cement concrete and dragged across. The gravel is in contact with the wire and not the hose material. So it will be scraping against the wire and keep your hose preventing punctures or scrapes or tears. Now, the improved compression is great because if you are close to your dump station, you can make a direct line. You don't have a sewer hose snaking all the way across. Just extend what you need and compress it back for storage. Although we've changed a lot, we've still kept that polypropylene wire the same. So that means that you can still crush it, step on it, drive over it, and it will not crush. The Rhino Extreme comes in two kits, a 15-foot kit and a 20-foot kit. The 20-foot kit has two 10-foot hose assemblies that you can connect together, use it all, or just use one. We also have a 5-foot extension and a 10-foot extension. The elbow we have changed as well. It is now transparent instead of translucent, so you can really tell when your tanks are clean. The kits come with sewer hose caps and swivel fittings. So this is it. This is your opportunity to own the world's greatest sewer hose. Get yours today. What's up, World Wide Web? I'm Noah, and this is Camco's 20-foot Rhino Flex complete all-in-one kit. Rhino Flex sewer hose is the toughest sewer hose that you can buy. It's 23 mils of heavy-duty polyolefin wrapped around a steel wire core. This allows you to stretch it, bend it, shape it, and it stays in its place. The 20-foot kit is real convenient. It comes in two sections, so if you need 20 feet, use them both. Need 10 feet? You can just use one. Pre-attached fittings swivel and include a locking ring for a secure attachment. Also includes the translucent elbow with 4-in-1 adapter. Storage caps. When you need to put your waste in its place, Rhino Flex 20-foot sewer hose kit.
If you want the toughest, longest lasting sewer hose possible to empty your RV holding tanks, and I know that you do, you want Titan. This bright green box contains Thetford's great new Titan sewer hose kit, and everything you need to properly empty your tanks from now on. The two words that best describe Titan's rugged TPE hose are virtually uncrushable. Here's real-world proof. Ever had your hose run over by a 2-ton vehicle? See how Titan bounces back. Most other sewer hoses have a metal helix that rusts and pokes through, causing pinhole leaks. Titan's hose, meanwhile, was designed to prevent pinhole leaks. It's virtually uncrushable because it's made of Thetford's proprietary blend of TPE materials spun around a polymer helix. It provides the highest degree of puncture and abrasion resistance. It excels in extreme temperatures, both hot and cold. That's what I mean by Titan Tough. And it's more than tough enough to meet the rigorous demands of the RV hose environment. While Thetford's test lab does extreme abrasion testing, here's another real-world test that you encounter. Scuffed, maybe, but none of those nasty pinhole leaks that you despise. The Titan kit is more than a great 15-foot hose. Titan features a unique and ergonomic Extend Grip universal bayonet fitting that provides a larger surface area for your hands and helps you to securely tighten the hose quickly and easily to the RV. The kit also has a Revolve 5-in-1 sewer adapter with this exclusive handle. The sewer adapter is stepped and threaded to securely adapt to virtually every dump port. While others are fixed and harder to adapt to, Titan's rotating elbow makes it easy to align and allows a more convenient connection to the hose and straighter flow. This handle helps keep your hand away from the mess, and having a translucent elbow also helps you to see when the tanks are empty, avoiding the guesswork. Also in this kit are these two press-fit end caps to prevent those awful drips while the hose is stored. If 15 feet isn't enough, this optional 10-foot extension enables you to extend your hose to 25 feet. And by the way, Titan is proudly made in the USA. Titan is a premium sewer hose with exclusive features, but it retails for less than the competition. In other words, Titan gives you much more for your money. And Titan is the innovation that you've come to expect from Thetford, the RV sanitation leader. Thanks for watching.
Hello RVers, it's Gary Bunzer, the RV Doctor. Today I want to show you why you want to choose the Wastemaster RV Sewer Hose by Lippert Components instead of all these other hoses on the market. Let's face it, visiting the RV dump station can be really filthy and nobody looks forward to this dirty job. But what if you could make it as hassle-free as possible with a premium RV sewer hose? Many full-time RVers go through at least 2 Stinky Slinky hoses every year, and the cost starts to add up. Not to mention that these subpar hoses are easily damaged and often leak. Gross. Granted, Wastemaster costs more, but it's worth it. This hose is made of super durable, high-quality material, from the leak-resistant cam lock connector to the tough hose and convenient nozzle, packed with features like a clear view fitting, a handle, and a shutoff valve. One of the most impressive features of Wastemaster is the leak-resistant cam lock connection. No other hose on the market has this feature. As you know, RV sewer hoses connect using a bayonet fitting that twists on to lock into place. The problem with this is that over time it can get worn and often begin to leak. The cam lock connection provides a far superior sealing power than the bayonet. You can see it has a rubber seal on the inside. When you pull down the cams, you can feel it grab the lip of the rubber fitting and seal very snugly. I've never seen one of these leak. If you're concerned about committing to the cam lock connection, don't be. Lippert Components offers a back-to-bayonet fitting so you can still use your old bayonet-style adapters if necessary. The Wastemaster hose is way more durable than this flimsy Stinky Slinky. Typical RV hoses often get sewage stuck inside, and the internal hose wire can rust and poke through, causing a leak. Maybe someone steps on the hose or bikes over it by mistake, and sun exposure can slowly weaken this hose. Any of these situations can become a disgusting disaster with a standard hose. But with the Wastemaster, it can hold up to some pretty serious beating. The helical coil is on the outside, so sewage flows out easily and doesn't get stuck on the inside. It's UV protected as well. We put the Wastemaster to the test by stomping on it and even took a weed trimmer to it. Nothing we did could make it leak. I'm telling you folks, this hose is made to last and to weather some of the roughest camping situations. Not only is the Wastemaster hose durable, it also stays extended to whatever length you need. Standard hoses can spring back unexpectedly and pull out of the sewer inlet if you aren't holding it down the whole time. Wastemaster also features a heavy-duty handle and a 90-degree elbow with a built-in rubber sewer donut, which is required in some campgrounds to make a better seal and to prevent messes. For most standard hoses, you have to buy all sorts of additional gadgets and adapters to make the process even work. With Wastemaster, all the best features are built right in. As you can see, the Wastemaster also has a built-in clear view port so you can monitor the waste flow and see when the hoses and tanks are clean. And Wastemaster features this handy shutoff valve right at the terminal end, so if heaven forbid the sewer inlet begins to back up or you have some other issue, you can shut the flow off right here. This feature really makes it a lot easier to empty the tanks as you have more control over what you're doing. And I'm not the only one raving about the Wastemaster hose. Just look online to find written and video reviews from full-time RV bloggers Ray of LoveYourRV.com and Kimberly of FullTimeFamilies.com. They love Wastemaster just like I do, and they'll tell you which features have been most helpful to them as full-time RVers. Folks, there's really no better waste management solution available than the Wastemaster by Lippert Components. You've got to try it. You'll never go back. Good luck and happy RVing from the RV Doctor.
Hey everybody, Scott here. Today I'm going to tell you about the deluxe 20-foot RV sewer hose kit. Inside the box, we've got a ready-to-use 20-foot sewer hose kit. The 20-foot sewer hose kit is made up of 2 10-foot sewer hose assemblies, a clear RV sewer hose elbow, with 4-in-1 adapter, a clear RV sewer extender, and 4 sewer hose caps. Each 10-foot sewer hose assembly is made up of our thickest vinyl sewer hose material available, which is a super heavy-duty 18 mil high tensile strength vinyl. It's great for full-time RVing. Both 10-foot sewer hose assemblies come with pre-attached swivel fittings. One end has a lug fitting, and the other has a bayonet fitting. All fittings swivel 360 degrees, making them easy to connect. Also in the box, we've got a clear sewer hose elbow with 4-in-1 adapter. The clear sewer hose elbow makes it easy to tell when your hose and your tanks are empty. The 4-in-1 adapter attaches easily to any size dump station. It also includes a bonus clear RV sewer extender so you can tell when your tanks are empty. And last but not least, we have our 4 sewer hose caps. We have 2 caps for your lug fittings, 2 caps for your bayonet fittings. Camco's Deluxe 20-foot RV sewer hose kit. If you don't have one, you should get one today.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.